Good morning, chickens.
Good morning, chickens.
Hi ho, off to work we go. Your mitten? Oh dear. It's okay. Mud in February in North Dakota. Crazy. It's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be snow. Snow for the sled, right? Oh well. It'll do that.
When the sun comes up, we'll wash away from the darker night. Beautiful day, bathe our hands in the golden light of love. We'll take the road up to the forest green and leave behind this concrete scene. Get a better view from the mountain top above. Whoa, this is my call to love. Whoa, this is my call to love. Hold the hands of the little ones, 'cause their angels always see the sun. Then you'll understand of the faith that goes beyond. 'Cause there's a song in every newborn heart, and all of us can play that part. Forget the pain, 'cause we call it turn around.
There you go.
Whoa, this is my call to love. Whoa, this is my call to love. Don't forget to bring a friend, the ones that feel they're near the end. A gentle smile and a broken heart will mend. With the coming spring and the rising tide, the rush of wings in the sea so wide, the glory of the starry skies above. Whoa, that is my call to love. Whoa, this is my call to love. Whoa, this is my call to love.
Hey everybody, John here, and welcome to Excellence in Agriculture. The long, boring monologue that I had recorded for the end of this video got ruined by the wind, and maybe that's just as well. Nobody wants a long, boring monologue at the end of a video. But just a quick explanation. This was just a quick video that we did about how we feed the cows, a day that I went out with my daughter. Usually my wife comes out and helps me, and you'll see those clips here in just a little bit. These clips with my wife helping was on a different day. As you can tell, there's a little bit of snow on the ground. It's crazy how warm it's been lately. We've been blessed to not have near as much snow as the rest of the state, but that's what you get when you live in the banana belt of North Dakota. We've had temperatures creeping up close to 60, and the water's been running down the creek, and it's cooled off now these days, but it's gonna warm up again, it sounds like. Here you can see my wife taking the net wrap off the bale. She does such a great job. She's really a pro at it. She gets lots of practice. Really appreciate all the help that she does with feeding the cows and whatnot. As you can see, it's coming off pretty easy on this bale. This is hay from this year. It is an edge-to-edge net wrap that we switched to, and it comes off so much easier than cover edge. Probably will never go back to cover edge. We really like this because it's so much easier to take off when you are taking the net off this way.